Silicon Valley is currently pressing a code red panic button because a research lab in Hangzhou just proved that money actually can't buy happiness or intelligence. Meet DeepSeek V3.2 and its steroid-infused cousin, Speciale. They didn't just move the goalposts, they dismantled the stadium and sold the scrap metal for a profit. Here's the nerdy breakdown for the 3 people watching who actually read documentation. Everyone else, listen up. Normally, AI models work by reading every single word in a massive library just to answer what is 2 plus 2. It's inefficient. It's like reading the entire dictionary just to order a pizza. DeepSeek introduced Sparse Attention and the Lightning Indexer. Instead of reading everything, it scans the context, ignores the garbage, and only looks at what matters. They decoupled the thinking from the doing. It's an efficiency hack that allows them to run a frontier-level model on hardware that the US government assumed was too weak to matter. We banned the H100 chips to stop them, so they networked a bunch of slower H800s together and beat us with better math. It's like losing a Formula 1 race to a guy in a Honda Civic because he built a better engine from parts he found in the junkyard than your team could with millions of dollars. Let's talk numbers because numbers don't have feelings to hurt. On the Amy math benchmarks, 96%, gold medal level. Coding? It's basically neck and neck with Gemini 3 Pro and GPT-5. But here's the punchline that has venture capitalists crying in their Patagonias: the price. DeepSeek is charging roughly 28 cents per million input tokens. To put that in perspective, you can ask DeepSeek to rewrite the entire works of Shakespeare for the price of a gumball. Meanwhile, Claude and OpenAI are charging you a mortgage payment for the same privilege. It's a race to the bottom, and DeepSeek just cut the elevator cables. And it's not just cheap, it's finally conscious, maybe? They introduced thinking with tools. Before, AI would try to think, use a calculator, forget why it used the calculator, and hallucinate an answer. V3.2 maintains a persistent state. It remembers why it's doing the math. It has an attention span longer than yours. They also synthesized 85,000 agentic tasks to train this thing. They forced this AI to live through 85,000 simulations of bureaucratic office work so it could learn to suffer like a real employee. That is the kind of torture I can respect. The US government is already trying to ban it. OpenAI is freaking out. This update proves that throwing billions of dollars at a server farm isn't the only way to win. Sometimes you just need better code. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.